coffee mug go. Yeah, this company sent me, this is the second one they've, this is an outdoor kitchen. The second one they've sent me. They're super awesome people, and if you have any issues with them, they're very quick to respond, which is awesome. And that's one of my in the comments when I'm listening to you two guys talk, that's one of the biggest issues, is no one's communicating, or they're buying something and they're not getting told when it's going to be shipped, any of that stuff. Which, if you do have those issues with the stuff I'm reviewing, I've got direct contact with them, so let me know. I had a issue with somebody bought something I reviewed a couple years back. I'm gonna throw this away. Well, not a couple years, a couple months ago, and they're not getting any information. They don't know when they're gonna that's good, when they're gonna ship it or anything. They're super concerned. So they reached out to me, and I was like, just give me a minute. And they reached out to me through Facebook or YouTube, and I gave them their email address, who to contact, who to talk to. So yeah, I'm on you guys' team. But let's open this up. Now watch me drink enough coffee. Alrighty. So this is an outdoor kitchen that fits in the back of your vehicle. It's got slides and everything else. The last one I did not come with instructions, so I'm assuming this one will be the same. So this is the left side of the kitchen and the right side of your kitchen. So what you'll need to do is find your top and your bottom. So this is going to be a floor of some kind. Now this should be your bottom and your top, I believe. This is just coming out just the way it normally comes as I'm grabbing it. Trying to stay organized here. This looks like a sink. And let's see what else we got. That's crazy. Here is so this kitchen assembly video. Nice. All right. If you find some issues with the item, please do not return to Amazon directly. Please contact us first. Oh, that's cool. So, yep, we've got, this is new. This wasn't in my last one. All right, neat little sink. This is a drawer. Trying to organize this stuff as much as I can. When I was a mechanic years ago, what made me successful, if you want to say that, just being organized. I have a pocket knife? I don't have my pocket knife? That's crazy. See what's inside here. There's the screws. It even says screws on it. I didn't read the back. All right, so we'll put those in there. I'll put this up. We've got a bunch of tracks and a piece of wood with some screws on both sides. Move the tracks over here. Just finding corners for stuff like this. I think one of the best advices I could give somebody for putting something together is being organized, keeping your shop clean, or with this little Phillips head right here. So if you drop anything, or you would exactly where it's at. These little black tracks are pretty cool. Boom. Trying to keep everything together, the black tracks. This is neat. It's got a little drawer. I'll put this right here. All right. Boom. This is for when you pull it out, that it gives it some strength, which I have a truck, so I don't necessarily need that, because the tailgate is the thing that gives it the strength. All right, come on. There's another drawer. I think that's it. Just want to double check before I toss this. Nothing. All right. So, finished. So, heads up. This is the bottom. This is the top. It makes sense, so you can put like a cooler or whatever you'd like on top of it. Where did I put those screws at, guys? Do y'all remember? Oh, over here. Last time I put one of these together, I used a drill, and I'm going to do the same. Just be careful. I didn't have any splits or any issues at all. It's an Allen head. But yeah, just make sure you're putting it in straight. Where's my, there it is, right over here. Yeah, just make sure that you're putting it in straight and you won't split it or hurt it or anything. So boom. So we got the bottom. Let's move this over here. And this is your right side. I like that they separate all this stuff. So I'm assuming looking at it would be your right side here. So this is your outside. It's got your little D-rings. Boom. This is your inside. So this has got screw holes for the bottom. All right. So that will go just like that. And then you will slide this in here. So let's put this right here for a second. And here, let's open the other one, flip it upside down and drill them all at the same time. That just seems to make sense to me. All right. So this is the left side. Keep it on the left side, just like that. So flip it upside down there and flip you upside down here. Hopefully that makes sense. And there's the top and bottom. Yep. So it's got a little bit of a inset and the screws. What's going, oh, I'm putting it on top of a screw. I got you. All right. Oops. Stay. I want to show you guys. I think what I'm going to do is put a screw in, get it started there, and I'm messing up, ain't I? So if I take this, it doesn't really matter. That's the left side. So this is the outside here, boom, and the outside here. So boom and boom. So the lid, the top, the screw easily goes in. Let's get this bad boy started. All right, here, I want to show you something. It's insetted, so you'll know that that is your top right there, where the screws go down, just to give you a heads up. Boom, give me that. All right, so that is the bottom. Perfect. So this is the right side. We'll just slide that in. Easy, that's nice. And the left side. Left side's got the little opener. Am I doing something wrong, buddy? So this was the problem. Gotcha. Okay, simple enough. Before I put the top on, we need to put the top on this. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the sink. Yep, that's it. This is going to be the drawer. I'm pretty sure I don't need to close this up just yet because that drawer is going to need to be put in. Which one's going to be the drawer? This is it. Well, I guess I could. Let's put the top in so it'll work together. So let's do that. So it's got two holes on one side that are really close and then two holes on the outside that are kind of further apart. Makes that pretty simple. Alrighty. And these two over here. Doing this will give the drawer some strength and kind of like organize, keep everything angled correctly. All right, come here, bud. There, there. Now let's put the drawer in. So I can pull this, let's see, push this, and now the drawer is one. And it's got one screw on one side and two on the other. There's two screws here and one screw here. So that kind of tells me what's going on. And the machinery is freaking perfect. All right, before I tighten that all the way down, it would probably be best if I put the two screws on the other side. Because one screw is just making that thing spin, you know what I mean? So let's get this lined up. There we go. Simple. Now we can make this drawer. And there, slide this inside there. Perfect. So we've got this track right here that has, is there, boom. And it's black, silver, that's awesome. Okay, let's take this off and let's put this on to make it pretty simple. So you even got the cutoff for the little lever. And this thing's nice. It's pretty wood as well. Come on, there we go. Let's get you started. Perfect. Now, this drawer should go inside there, inside here. Nice. Wow. That's cool. I like that. Boom. And then you got your little sink right there. Close this up. All right. Now, I guess we could put the top on. It doesn't really matter. Oh, we got a back. Y'all seen the back? Let's see. So this, I wonder. So we've got 2 screws, no screws in the bottom. I wonder if it's trying to shed weight. I bet it's this. It is. That's, rather than having a solid platform in the back, it's these here. Let's put a screw inside there. And this is not too shabby at all. I usually don't sugarcoat stuff. If it sucks, I'll let you know. This is not bad. And it's not expensive either. I think it's like 320 bucks. The cheapest one I've seen on online is 700. I think 740 bucks. Jeez, I'm screwed up. I wonder if I can fix it. I can. So I had the holes down. They're supposed to be up so you can put the top on. I thought I screwed up, but I didn't. All right. Simple enough. Boom, boom, boom. This is awesome. This is a nice top. Oh, and with some nice coffee too. Let's get this bad boy put together. It's got these little cutoffs so the strap can go across it. Put a cooler across here and run the straps over top. It's got these eyelids right here. So I need to turn this upside down. Give me that. Took my... So I need to put the screws in here and the screws in the back. And I tell you, this drill, hopefully you have a drill. This makes life so much easier. They do give you tools, but it's just it's hand tools. There it is. All right. You see little cutoffs? That's for your strap to go across. All right, let's see. What's next? So we have these little cutoffs here. Alrighty. So if you see the little blue, that's going to be on your left side. We've got a drawer. Almost finished. Nice chrome drawer. So this will be, so that goes like that. Get a couple screws out. Boom. That goes to the outside. All right. And you want to put this on because there's no way for it to slide in. All right. I'm going to build this, but I want to show it to you when I'm done, so you'll understand. Let's get this on. Well, let's just put one. The cold weather is killing these batteries. And I didn't even know that the battery died while I was showing you this. But basically what we're doing is, let's get you focused in here, is putting in your screws on both sides and in the front. And it has this little slot. And make sure that your tracks are on both sides, or on the outside, so it can slide in. And this is what you cook on. All right, so let's get it put in. So boom. One thing I did forget to do, let's get this out real quick, back it up, is I forgot to put the back side of this on, this thing here. I heard it drop. So let's see here. I wonder, could I get it through these holes? No, I'm gonna have to take it off. That's okay. So what you'll do is if you want to take this off, there's a lever right here, and then on the other side, there's a little lever as well. So let's close this up real quick. Let's see. There it is. Simple and aggravating a little bit. Just need you to come out just a little bit so I can get that. There it is. It's got this little black lever right here. Oh, take the foot and get to them. Put my foot right there. Man, what in the world? Honestly, how important is that? You know what I mean? I guess it's for strength. It's just a pain in the butt when you forget it. You know what I mean? All right. So pull that, and this little lever, just need enough room to get it. There we go. Now my table's acting crazy. All right. So that's stuck right inside there. And there. Yeah, make sure you put the drawers all together, LOL. I guess easy fix, no big deal. I always forget something. Well, the next one I do, I'm gonna be amazing at it. So I've got this little back piece now. Put on there. Gotcha. It's got these little slots that, like if you do screw up here, I'll show you. So if you do screw up, I don't need that. You can move this around. See right there? Just line up that hole, put that right inside there. It should work perfectly. Here, we'll do it together. There it is. Alrighty. What'd I do with my coffee? There it is. Alright, perfect. One thing we need to do now, let me grab the Phillips head screwdriver. That's what this is for. Oh, here it is. This. Make sure your threaded hole is on the outside. And just screw in this. This is for that little, I guess, dead leg. Or, there you go. This isn't the threads on this is really aggressive, so I don't think you need a drill. If you do have one handy, man, do it. But this isn't too bad. And this is pine, I guess. Really easy to screw into. Just checking to make sure y'all with me. I can't believe I lost y'all. Wish the camera would make a noise like beep, 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 beep. There we go. Nailed it. All right. Put this up here. I want to show you this real quick. And this is it. So you can take this, make it as long as you want. And it just screws right onto here. But we'll take a look at it in just a second. Let's get this bad boy put on. Slide it in those tracks. Push this. There we go. All right. So when you need it, click this and then click this one. Boom. If this is too long, then you can take this and screw it in. Righty-tighty, Barry. There we go. And then, which one do I want? Boom. Just like that. Perfect. Got a little drawer. You can put a sink right there. Little way to cook. I love it. Freaking love it. Here, let's look at it. Isn't that crazy? Got a little bit wobbly. There's your sink. This can come out. 320 bucks, guys. When you're ready, unscrew it. I think I'm tightening it. Boom. Take this, collapse it, stick it inside there, clip that. This could actually stay down. I don't see why you wouldn't need it unless you have the stove in there. You can take that, close up. I like this. I like this. This is awesome. And for 320 bucks, man, this is nice. The only thing I would worry about is if the back of your truck, this is press board, I wouldn't want to get this wet. That's the only thing I could think of. It's got definitely a coating over it, but I just don't see this being a long time out in the, I wouldn't put this in the back of your bed without a cover or something over top of it. But if you like stuff like this, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell. We can have more videos out like this. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll talk to you next time.